going to put the loudspeaker on. How can I be cool like that? Just put on flat music. And while you're on, we'll correct the pigeon. Oh, we just made a big place like that. And he turns to a man. Just a growling man. You disturb the animals. You need the ground to be fixed. For isn't that too long for a croaking? Looks like I did not use actual crying for this baby. It's just a baby. It's just too long since oh, that's boring. Well, the entire video went too boring and long. The animals are facing left. They're just walking around the way. Nothing is rest. That's my animals. They'll come on in. Big chick, rooster, sheep, two lemurs, bear, elephant, horse, and moose. That's what we put in. And that's the guy that deserves animals rest. What's the lemur even here? Oh, do you even bother using it? How is the lemur there? It's cuter. Oh my god. Bye bye Ivy. Wait, what? What? Why is the lemur? What? He's doing it on his... Oh, crud. Nope. Ah, he's such a cute dog. Holy cow. Why? What? Who were there? Why? This doesn't actually make any physical sense. They're gone. Oh my god, this... Oh no, please. The animals. Now they cry like babies too. That doesn't make sense. That real cute. Whatever. Oh, as long as I didn't click anything from the notifications. It's fine. Oh my goodness. You know you can turn off the recording on tab, but like I always do on the tab, but not anymore. It's just this. I'm not gonna stop it just yet. Oh my god. You know what? Now that's so unfitting. It takes too long. That takes too long for my video to end. What? A lemur. Oh, he's doing this too long. Oh my god, what now? That's what I was supposed to say. Oh my god. Welp. What? How long is this gonna... This is the longest... This is just 2 minutes, all because of the music. After Ivy just ran away. No couple animals are just... No, the couple animals are still here. Made it super random. Oh my god. You made it super random. Wait. What? What is a triple W, you know? What is it? Oh my god. Oh no. What? What the heck? Oh no. Lemurs? What? Okay. Oh my god. Yep, that's too much of that. They're standing out of nowhere. Really? This happens all the time. Tribbly-ba-doo. What? Oh no. How long is it gonna take? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Bye-bye. Now Memphi's gone. For now. Well, Memphi's gone. Now I'm just replaced with just a guy. Oh, never mind. Oh, that's just wrong. Ah! No, please. I can't take it anymore. Whatever. Doesn't matter in a way. What the? Hey! Bye-bye, Ivy's over. Chapter 2. Gosh darn you. What do you mean bye-bye, Ivy? Ah! What do you mean bye-bye, Ivy? You guys have to do something with Ivy now? You just scared her away. And then like this, you destroy the animals. Stop, please. Please tell me. Nope. I'm at Oscar's there. And he was about to bite her bottom or tail. If you get near him. And for that, Memphi is just a white dog. He doesn't mean to have those kind of ears. No. Okay, I guess. What the heck? Okay, it's you again. Alright, not you. Oh, this is, never mind. Oh, wow. Why? This is deep. This is just wrong. You lost music. What is a triple little dude? Already getting gibberish or something? A weird jump. Okay, then. I win. Triple double doo? What's triple double doo? Already getting little gibberish or something? Animals. Oh no! What? How is this after the cat mode? Everything this game sites mess up. Oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Of course it's like rice then. We was the roast. You make him just super playful. Ah, crud. Sorry, princess. Oh, God. Oh, okay. What a great crash. Not at all. Why bye-bye, Ivy? Is it just because we can hear her crying from there? You guys, Ivy, blah, blah, blah. Change everything. Go away. What in the world? Help. No, it's more like... Help. No, it was like an actual baby crying sound. Wow, she decides to go there. Oh, okay. This is... You disturb the animals' rest. 789 years. Think about yesterday when I went to have a go for this. Oh my gosh, I gotta think about yesterday. Second area. That's awesome. I haven't even seen her because of that grumpy squirrel wants it back. Just 10 acorns to go. Oh, I forgot to go back there at night. Just for this, I'm not putting this leave the next day, which is this day on Sunday. Whatever. Happy New Year's Day. I think that's allowed to go on a video for a free trial. I'm not gonna make any more until... No, I'm not doing it. Alright, I'm gonna stick with it. Whatever. Let's just leave the team asleep. Loudspeaker? Whoa, dang it. It's not that loud. As the video even goes for. Come on, are you pressing start? Or you're gonna look up another button. Oh yeah, you're pressing start. You're probably slowing the bit down. But the animals, how will the animals rest in this day? 789 years. Go away. And the guy, haha, fool you. Okay, that's the aftermath that's after the penguin has turned into a guy and flew straight back to the ground and it's moving. That's not even, that doesn't make sense. You, crud. Seriously? That's an 11-year-old video. No. That's 11-year-old me video. Oh god. Ivy! Why is it the baby crying voice for Ivy? Oh god. She's suddenly done And she suddenly didn't really run in her animation. She just stands and moves. That doesn't make sense. Stop crying, Ivy. Leave Ivy alone. Well, he needs like this. Bye-bye, Ivy. I don't get it. Bye-bye, Ivy? Oh, she's not even standing up yet. Bye-bye, Ivy. Tribble-dibble-doo. This is not where it's supposed... This is not where it's supposed to do. Tribble-dibble-doo. That's nonsense gibberish again. Do what you're doing before. Yeah, that. Slept 10 minutes. Oh, whatever. I don't care. Oh, no. Tribble-dibble-doo. Dibble-dabble-da. Oh, why is the lever? Oh, this is extra no sense at all. Okay. No, I'm fine. Why is Ivy crying? Bye. Adios, Ivy. Then where the heck is Ivy? Then where the heck is Ivy? Ivy is gone. Where the heck is Ivy? Where is she gonna go? Exactly. So she ran off from the video. Why? Did you say tribble-dibble-doo? Is that supposed to be some kind of... Oh, but... Oh, the words. They don't make sense. Oh, God. Oh, it's gonna be like that. Oh, no. Hello. Oh, I guess 12 minutes, something like that. Or just bottom row. Not again, Ivy. Gotta be aware of the Super King Console dungeon. This video. Oh my god. Something in the title you do as you like. There's a bunch of minutes going on. Shroopy-doopy-doo. What's shroopy-doopy-doo? Shroopy-doopy-doo. Oh, crud. Shroopy-doopy-doo. I have no idea what it means. Oh, we all don't know what it means. Shroopy-doo-doo. Okay, thanks, Anna.